What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into a 3-year review of my Total Gym Chrome handles and why I prefer them over my standard Total Gym handles. I'll also talk about my experience upgrading from 3.2 inch to 4 inch Carabiner Clips paired with swing swivels for connecting the handles. If you're into optimizing your Total Gym or sliding bench in general, you want to stick around for this one. Let's get started. Alright, first let's talk about the differences between the Total Gym standard handles and the Chrome handles. The standard handles are functional and get the job done, but the Chrome handles are a big step up in terms of durability and comfort. They're built with higher quality materials, featuring a sleek chrome finish and ergonomic grips that feel better during intense workouts due to its swivel design. The padded rubber grips are thoughtfully designed with a nice texture, offering both comfort and reliable support for your hands, especially for exercises like rows, presses, and pullovers. With the standard handles, I sometimes felt strain on my hands during longer sessions. This is mostly due to the friction caused by the strap rubbing against the internal plastic handle. With my Great Flex handles, which are designed similarly to the Total Gym standard strap handles, I noticed some wear with extensive use. I've also experienced some friction on the handles during high-intensity workouts. This is a common issue with these types of handles, especially when you're really pushing your limits. But the Chrome handles eliminate that issue entirely with their swivel design. Comfort is also a huge factor for me. The Chrome handles are designed to reduce hand fatigue, making them perfect for high-rep sets or extended workouts. Whether you're doing strength training or cardio-focused circuits, they just feel better in your hands, in my opinion. Alright, let's talk about how these handles have held up after 3 years of consistent use. The Total Gym Chrome handles are still in excellent condition, even in a very humid environment like mine. There's minimal to no rust, the rubber grips have no gashes, and the frame itself remains uncompromised. On top of that, the swivels still move as smoothly as they did when they were brand new. These handles have truly stood the test of time and continue to be my go-to for pressing, pulling, and core exercises. The only time I switch them out is for rope grip or tricep grip exercises. To do this, I use the standard Total Gym handles by folding them over and gripping the handles vertically. Using the grips this way feels very comfortable and is surprisingly similar to using a traditional rope grip attachment, giving you that same natural range of motion for exercises like tricep extensions. I'll use the Angles 90 grips as well, which also work great. Now, let's talk about protecting your equipment. So I paired these handles with swing swivels and Carabiner Clips to prevent wear and tear on the cables of both my Total Gym and Great Flex. As you can see, without the swivels, the cables are susceptible to twisting depending on how you grab the grips before exercising. This can lead to long-term wear and tear on your cables, especially during high-intensity training as it increases friction. So the swing swivels allows the handles to rotate when in use without twisting the cables in a bind, leading to less stress on the cables and extending their lifespan. So you have that peace of mind during high-intensity reps. And I'm happy to report that after years of use, the cables on both machines are in excellent shape. No fraying, no damage. I truly believe the extra attachments like the swivels and carabiners played a big role in preserving the cable's integrity. Now for the upgrade. A few years ago when I made the transition from the standard Total Gym handles to the Chrome handles and swivels, I decided to use 3.2 inch Carabiner Clips. While the 3.2 inch clips have been reliable, I did notice an occasional issue. The clips would sometimes jam in the swivel connection. It wasn't a big deal, I'd have to just adjust them back in place, but it was enough for me to start looking around for an alternative. Enter the 4 inch Carabiner Clips from Fitness and Benching. I was initially worried they might be too big, but after using them for a few weeks, I'm happy to report they're perfect. They don't jam in the swivel, and the slightly larger size gives just the right amount of extension for the cables. All of my exercises feel smoother and more comfortable now. And it might just be the peace of mind of the Carabiner Clips no longer jamming in the swivels. I can focus more on my workouts. It also has a more solid and robust look to it, given that it's designed to withstand heavier weight and enhance its overall sturdiness. Comparing the pricing of the two, the Fitness Invention 3.2 inch carabiners cost around $17 for a pack of 5, and the 4 inch clips are $19 for 5 as well. Both are made of stainless steel, super durable, and designed to support a lot of weight. And I'll put links to both in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. So after 3 years, I can confidently say the Total Gym Chrome handles are a fantastic investment. They're ergonomic, durable, and worth every penny. Pairing them with swivels and quality carabiners has been the key to protecting my cables and enhancing my workout experience. If you're using 3.2 inch carabiners and have experienced similar jamming issues, I highly recommend upgrading to the 4 inch size. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Thanks for watching today's review. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more home gym equipment reviews and tips. And drop a comment below if you have any questions. We'll see you on the next one.